trying to do. And I ain't nothing. Talking about niggas straight bluffing. Straight in the streets talking about you wanna hop on a beat with me. Niggas stop bluffing. And if you hop on the beat, I don't want no beef. Everybody know I'm in these streets walking comfortably. Everybody know I just want niggas bump me. Every time I walk to the corner store, I hear niggas bumping me. That's the future me. Everybody know me. I want everybody know my name. Lil Buddha up next. That's the whole campaign. So spread it to the whole hood. And everybody know my buzz. It's real good, yeah, I mean. Night. Yeah, I mean, it's not what it seems. Lil Buddha, back of the scenes. And everybody know I'm killing this beat. And everybody know a little nigga, can't you see? Try and make this money, I ain't real funny. Niggas real sweet, slimy like honey. Pulling out these guns, man, use a gummy bear. Got your girl over here shopping at Sears. Oh man, they said I'm crazy. I said that I'm changing. I think that I'm aging. You can't tell me nothing. Niggas really bluffing. They say that I'm crazy. I say that's not me. She say I'm cocky. I say that's not me. Lil Buddha up next. I'm trying to make it through the Wayne. Everybody know I be yelling out, whoa, then I dap up and go get up out of there. Everybody try to dap me up, man, back up. You ain't my homie, you don't really know me. You be talking about me in your DMs, talking about I follow Lil Buddha and all of that. How come I blocked you and you on my block list? Talking all this, but you not about it. Talking about what you bought, I get you popped in your mouth. Man, stop it. Man, stop all that stuff. Just stop it. Stop sneak dissing. Man, it's pissing me off. Man, it's pissing me off. Why they say that I'm crazy? Say that I'm crazy. Man, they say that I'm changing. Just trying to be a star, spit these bars. Why they say that I'm crazy? Man, why they say that I'm changing? Why they say that I'm crazy? Why they say that I'm changing? Janelle, MG. For the moment. Not with the program. If you're not with the campaign, stick with it now. Woo! Saying threats on the ground, they could kill you. Looking on IG, you looking real familiar. Thinking about you texting my girl and I don't feel you. Yeah, I mean, God, nigga.